All right, our forecast is a hot one today on this first day of June, Rhonda.
Yes, it is indeed. Hot weather for the next several days, but we could get a little bit of rain by the beginning of the week. Let's go outside, though, right now. Our 360 tower cam is a beautiful shot. Right now, it is 85 degrees. Our heat index is at 90, so watch it out there. By 5 o'clock, 93 and mostly sunny. 10 o'clock, 77 and still mostly sunny then as well. Now, of course, our big story today, it is the beginning of the hurricane season, and could this be Arlene? Well, the National Hurricane Center is giving it a 30% chance of development over the next 24 to 48 hours. But of course, as it gets on land, it's going to lose some of its steam and likely not really be much more than a rainmaker with a little bit of wind embedded in there as well. But as it moves off to the west, there's a chance that it could also end up in the Gulf of Mexico, re-energized, and we'll see what happens after that. But the first name on the list, should it develop, will be Arlene, and then after that is Brett, then Cindy, then Dawn, then Emily. And then after that, you know, it gets a little interesting for us. We are expecting several storms this year in the Atlantic basin, a little more than usual. So that's actually a pretty good thing for us. Perhaps, hopefully, within the Gulf, we might get a little bit of rain out of those, and fingers crossed on some of that coming up this way as well. But for now, mostly clear skies, 85 degrees at Camp Mabry and 86 at the airport. Today, no rain. No rain yesterday either, and pretty much no real rain the day before. But we are looking at that deficit of almost 14 inches since October. We need rain, and we need it badly. We're just not going to get it today. Satellite and radar composite couldn't be more clear. Notice those clouds that we had earlier today. They're moving off. They are dissipating. Not really going to be much of an issue for us, which is, of course, a problem for our lakes because they could use some moisture. We're down 21 feet at Lake Travis. We're seeing all kinds of those sometime islands coming up and sticking around. Same kind of deal at Lake Buchanan as well. They're down 7 feet. Now, clouds and radar forecast. Into motion we go. Notice how we stay very clear. Notice our clock there even into tomorrow. It remains very high thanks to high pressure, which has pretty much situated itself off the coast, just anchoring itself right there, bringing in that cloud cover and also a lot of heat and moisture, keeping it really steamy around here. Maybe just a small chance of maybe a pop-up spotty shower here and there, but not really putting a lot of faith in that as that warm, moist, humid air keeps infiltrating our area, keeping it hot, keeping it sticky as we deal with that upper level ridge, which doesn't really seem to want to break down anytime in the near future. But having said that, we do have a small chance of rain by Monday as that system itself starts to come this way from the north, and the high pressure itself moves to move off to the northeast. So we'll see what happens. All right, we're looking at 97 for our high today. Scorcher tonight, not too cool, really. We're looking at a little bit of cloud cover and 74 overnight. And then the next few days, we keep it still hot, 98 degrees Thursday and into Friday. Just a passing cloud here and there. But by Saturday and Sunday, notice how our 10% chance of rain comes around. We're going to keep those chances around into Monday and Tuesday as well as we stay in the upper 80s to lower 90s into Monday and Tuesday with a 20% chance of a thunderstorm and shower.